Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, trust you all are doing great. Today let's make this Abacha, and they also call it Bobozi, Abacha, Tapioca. So let me know what you call this in your language, okay? So this video is a very old video and I almost deleted it, but I said let me bring it. For those that don't know how to do this, let's show you how to achieve this, okay? So this was my husband doing this. All you need to do is get your cassava, peel the bag just the way he's doing it. So just watch and be careful with your hands, okay?
Local place, do something new on Nancy Ogbebor TV. It's all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate. Simple, quick, and cheerful. You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show's a seat for you. Slice it, season, let it glow. Follow me and take it slow. One more pinch, the flavor's true. Set the table, join the crew. Cook along, don't watch alone. Turn your kitchen to a happy home. Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go.
So after doing this, you wash thoroughly and transfer it into your pot. Add water and start cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this till it is soft.
Spicy, rich, and fresh for you. Chop it, mix it, make it.
It's very simple anyway. The process is a bit simple and you're gonna learn it. So it's just checking how it is. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across this video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So I went ahead to add in cold water so it can cool down a bit. So this is different ways of getting different shape of your choice, okay? So with that, you can get this shape and you can also use your knife depending on what you actually want. So go ahead and do this, and at the end we'll come back to wash it. When you're done cutting, transfer it into your bowl, add in water, and you're gonna wash it. So you can go ahead to enjoy it with whatever you like, granules, even coconut too, and so on. Try this and let me know what you think about this video. So this is the different sizes you're going to get when you use different tools. So this is my final look. This is how it's looking. Try it and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.
One more taste to see it through. Share this meal from me to you.